JDCap 26 here, just doing tips, repairs, and hobbies. And as I promised, I am doing a fix on this model, and I want to show you in the description. This plate, see that bar right there? That has to be towards the front of the chest. Okay, I had it reversed, so I took it apart, and I'll show you. This part broke, but so I put a little Bondo in there, putty, and that'll dry really solid and really good. And I slid that piece in here, and I leaned them up against the body so that both hands are correct. And in the back, there's a little round piece. It hits the back of the, oops, I don't want to do that. I'll show you. It hits the back right here. See that little knob right there? And that part hits that part there, okay? Which makes the actuation. Hopefully, this will dry really solid and the arm won't break off when it goes in the action, but you never know. I'm going to put a little CA glue on it afterwards when it dries, and a little CA glue on this, and make sure there's nothing in the way. You can get the parts. I think I'm going to try to order the parts from the company, and we'll see if they respond. Hopefully they will. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the next video.